Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the 5 best shoe polish kits in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these shoe polish kits. You can check out the description below. So let's get started. Stone & Clark Shoe Polish and Care Kit. The Stone & Clark Shoe Polish and Care Kit is a good old-fashioned shoe cleaning system. Likely not that different from what your grandfather used on his saddle shoes when he was a lad. It even comes with 3 different colored shoe polishes. There's brown, black, and neutral. Just remember that a little goes a long way with these kinds of polishes. Still, they'll give your shoes that HD treatment, bringing vividness to their original color. I know that sometimes, neutral-colored shoe polishes can leave a bit of a residue. Just take the shine sponge and the buffing cloth to it until you get the right amount of natural shine. By the way, this kit comes with a shoehorn that's adaptably portable. Json Mark Shoe Cleaning Foam Bundle. When you're cleaning traditional trainers, whether they're rubber or leather, foam cleaners are a good way to go. For example, if you accidentally use too much liquid cleaner on a perforated rubber shoe, it could get too damp and seep into the interior. Foam will help you better assess how much liquid you're using. Plus, I love a waterless cleaner. The Json Mark Shoe Cleaning Foam Bundle has equally delicate brushes and a microfiber towel to finish cleaning. Mercifully, this towel dries super fast. Moreover, the cleaner itself has excellent conditioning properties. I've noticed that it brings out a slight glisten on the surface of sneakers and even brings out their color. Angelis Foam Shoe Cleaner Kit. The Angelis Foam Cleaning Kit is another excellent choice when it comes to sneakers and delicate materials. Like the Json Mark bundle, it has an effective foam cleaner to help avoid oversaturation. What's unique about this kit is that it comes with a hog hair brush. Hog bristles are often used for hairbrushes since they're rich in keratin and are good detanglers. Still, these very qualities are why they're perfect for multi-surfaced, multi-material sneakers. Unlike dress shoes, which usually feature one material on their upper, leather, sneakers can be a mix of leather, rubber, mesh, and so on. Just as a hog hair brush detangles our hair and redistributes the oils, it gently gets in and out of complex topography while easily transferring the cleaner throughout the surface. Raffinata Travel Sneaker Kit. The Raffinata Travel Sneaker Kit is made explicitly for white sneakers. This kit is great for those of you who love your tennis whites, but at this budget-friendly price point, it might be worth looking into for anyone with even one pair of white sneakers they love. It comes with a stain-fighting foam cleaner and soft and stiff bristle brushes. There's even a magic eraser. So once you've soft brushed the upper and stiff brushed the outsoles, you can get rid of even the smallest imperfections, resulting in impeccable whiteness. This cleaner works well on mostly white shoes and light neutrals like tans and grays. RashuVN8 Signature Kit. The RashuVN8 Signature Kit is one of the best sneaker cleaning kits. I love them on Jordans specifically because the cleaner is made with soaps derived from coconut and jojoba oil. Using these oils result in a mild, safe, and all-purpose cleaner that's delicate, even on suede accents. Moreover, it doesn't leave any soapy residue and won't cause discoloration since it's so delicate. RashuVN8 even blogs about specifically cleaning Jordans on their website. Ever nuanced, the kit comes with a soft bristle brush, a medium one, and a stiff one. 2 other cool things this kit comes with: shoe trees to keep your sneakers nice and perky, and a patented laundry system. Yes, it comes with pods to safely put your shoes in to throw in the washer. Just make sure only to use this system on extra sturdy sneakers.